Hello, welcome to Cloud Cookie Academy. My name is Emily. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and activate an Amazon Web Services account. If you are a new AWS user, go to the AWS homepage at aws.amazon.com. Click on the orange button on top right corner of the page. Choose Create a new AWS account button if you do not have an AWS account already. Otherwise, if you've signed into AWS recently, the button might say Sign into the console. Enter your account information. Be sure that you enter your account information correctly, especially your email address. If you enter your email address incorrectly, you won't be able to access your account. Choose a strong and secure password that is at least 8 characters in length. It is recommended to use a different password than your other bank accounts. Enter an AWS account name of your choice. Then click Continue. Choose personal or professional account type. Personal accounts and professional accounts have the same features and functions. For this example, I am choosing the personal option. Enter your company or personal information. After entering all of your account information, make sure you review the AWS customer agreement. Read and accept the AWS customer agreement. Choose Create Account and Continue. After you've created an account, you will receive an email to confirm that your account is created. You can sign into your new account using the email address and password you supplied. However, you can't use AWS services until you finish activating your account. AWS requires you to enter payment information when you create an account. Your account will only be billed when usages exceeds the AWS free tier limits. After entering your credit or debit card information in the payment information page, click Verify and Add. You will be asked to verify your identity by entering your phone number. Choose whether you want to receive the verification code over text message or voice call. Choose your country or region code from the list. Enter a phone number where you can be reached in the next few minutes. Enter the code displayed in the CAPTCHA. When you're ready, choose Contact Me. In a few moments, an automated system will contact you. Enter the PIN you received by text message or voice call. When you see this page, your account is now verified. Click Continue. On the Select a Support Plan page, choose one of the available support plans. For this example, we will choose the free basic plan. After you choose a support plan, a confirmation page indicates that your account is being activated. Accounts are usually activated within a few minutes, but the process might take up to 24 hours. You can sign into your AWS account during this time. The AWS homepage might display a button that shows complete sign-up during this time, even if you've completed all the steps in the sign-up process. When your account is fully activated, you'll receive a confirmation email. After you receive this email, you have full access to all AWS services. Now you are all set. Sign in with your root account. Enter the email address you used to sign up. When you first sign in, you see the Management Console homepage. The homepage provides access to each service console, as well as an intuitive user interface for exploring AWS. Coming up next, tutorial on how to implement MFA. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing!